What's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature? How many degrees?
Hey guys, this is Storm Tracker Audrey, reporting for Mullica Morning Weather. Today is a high of 54 and a low 42, and it's rainy. Here's a weather fact. Did you know the days are longer in the springtime because the Earth's axis is tilted towards the sun and it's away from it in the winter? See you guys tomorrow and happy National California Strawberries Day.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside?
Good morning, Mullica. Today is Thursday, March 21st, 2019. Today is Down Syndrome Awareness Day. Hope to see many of you in blue and yellow. Here are your morning announcements.
If you are interested, Miss Butling and Mr. A are starting an after-school model rocket club for grades 6 through 8. The rocket club will meet on Tuesdays after school until 4:30. Even if you have never made a model rocket before or have lunch with you, the club will teach you all you need to know about model rockets. If you are interested, you need to join a Google Classroom. Your teachers will share the code and fill out a form to get the permission slip.
Mullica's volleyball team defeated North Wildwood 5-0 yesterday. The team was led by Joe Maceo, Janelle Ortiz, Madeline Lee, and Vincenzo Museri. The next generation players of Gabby Kinzel, Mackenzie Denny, Ella Petrosh, Justin the Joker Assink, and Luke I Can Play Blind Simon showed some volleyball skill as well. A special appearance by manager/player Angela Cure finished the match with an ace. Volleyball practice will be 3:30 to 5:30 today for the team's Friday away match at Folsom.
There will be a Howl meeting today with Mr. Smith and Miss Sheldon from 3:35 to 4:25.
Well, that's all the news we have for you today, Coyotes. Enjoy your day.
Bye!
Happy birthday from us to you. We wish it was our birthday so we could party too. Happy birthday.